If you've ever wondered how to make a woman feel intense sexual attraction toward you, then you're in the right place. We're not talking about tricks, manipulation, or pickup lines. This is about real, raw, and natural attraction, how to cultivate it, how to amplify it, and how to make any woman crave your presence. Let's get into it. 1. The mindset of an attractive man. First things first, before we even get into behaviors, you need to understand that attraction starts with mindset. Women don't become sexually drawn to men who are desperate, needy, or insecure. They are drawn to men who exude confidence, purpose, and self-assurance. Think about it. Why do women go crazy for celebrities, CEOs, or men who have options? It's because they radiate an "I don't need you" energy. And that's key. If you put a woman on a pedestal, she won't see you as a challenge or as someone she needs to win over. Instead, she'll categorize you as a fan, not a lover. So, how do you fix this? Simple. Shift your mindset from "I hope she likes me" to "Do I like her?" The moment you flip that switch, you start radiating the energy that naturally draws women toward you. 2. Developing an aura of sexual confidence. Now, let's talk about a powerful force, sexual confidence. Women can sense a man's level of confidence without him saying a word. It's in your posture, your eye contact, your voice, and how you carry yourself. If you're constantly seeking validation or approval, women will feel it and it will kill attraction instantly. Instead, own your space. When you walk into a room, do so with an air of certainty. When you speak, do so with conviction. When you touch a woman, even if it's just a casual touch on the arm, do it with intention, not hesitation. Confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about certainty. It's about knowing that you bring value and that any woman would be lucky to be with you. If you truly believe that, women will start to believe it too. 3. Mastering the art of body language. Body language is a silent but powerful tool. The way you stand, sit, and move can make or break attraction. Here's what you need to remember. Keep your posture open. Never slouch, cross your arms, or look down nervously. These are signs of low confidence. Maintain strong eye contact. A man who can hold a woman's gaze without looking away first signals dominance and certainty. Slow down your movements. Nervous guys fidget and rush. Confident men take their time, whether they're speaking, moving, or making decisions. Women respond to what they feel around you. If your body language says "I'm in control," she'll feel it and it will turn her on. 4. The power of mystery and challenge. Most men think they need to be overly nice, share everything, and constantly validate a woman to make her like them. This is a huge mistake. Women don't want everything handed to them, they want a man who's a challenge. Being a challenge means not revealing everything about yourself too quickly. Not always being available at her every call and text. Making her work a little for your attention and time. If a woman feels like she has you completely figured out within the first few conversations, you lose the element of intrigue. Keep her guessing. Keep her wondering. That's what builds excitement and anticipation. 5. The subtle art of flirting and sexual tension. Flirting is the bridge between casual interaction and sexual attraction. It's about playfulness, teasing, and creating an electric charge between you and her. Here's how you do it effectively. Tease her lightly, like you would with a close friend. Playful challenges and small jabs create a fun, flirty vibe. Hold eye contact a little longer than normal, just enough to create that silent tension. Speak slower and lower your voice slightly. A deep, slow voice is inherently attractive. Get physically comfortable around her. Casual touches on her hand, lower back, or arm in a respectful way build subconscious intimacy. When you master this, women will start feeling that unexplainable pull toward you. 6. The importance of purpose and passion. There is nothing sexier to a woman than a man on a mission. If your whole life revolves around chasing women, you're going to struggle to attract high-quality women. Why? Because attraction isn't just about looks, it's about energy. When a man is driven, ambitious, and passionate about something, whether it's his career, fitness, or personal growth, he naturally exudes a magnetic presence. Women love men who have purpose because it signals stability, leadership, and excitement. So, if you're not currently working towards something meaningful, start now. Build your value. Become the kind of man that women want to be around, not just for attention, but because your energy is intoxicating. 7. Dominance without overstepping boundaries. Let's clear something up. Dominance does not mean being aggressive or controlling. Real dominance is about leading, making decisions confidently, and knowing how to take charge in a way that excites a woman. Here's what women respond to: taking initiative, whether it's picking the restaurant, leading her into a dance, or guiding her into a kiss. Being decisive, women love men who know what they want and go after it. Protectiveness, subtle things like putting your arm around her in a crowded place or standing confidently in social settings make her feel safe and desired. Women crave masculine energy, and when you embody true, calm dominance, you trigger deep, primal attraction. 8. Owning your sexuality. One of the biggest mistakes men make is suppressing their own sexuality out of fear of coming across as too much. But here's the truth: women love men who are unapologetically sexual. The key is knowing how to express it in the right way. Hold eye contact with intent. Let her feel the intensity of your gaze. Speak in a way that's slow, deep, and deliberate. When the moment is right, don't hesitate, lead her into intimacy with confidence. When you're comfortable with your own sexuality, women pick up on it and it makes them crave you. If you take something from this, remember this: attraction isn't about luck. It's about presence, confidence, and energy. When you master these principles, women will naturally feel drawn to you, not because of what you say, but because of who you are. So go out there and start practicing. Work on your mindset, body language, and confidence. Build your purpose, own your sexuality, and embrace the art of flirting. If you do, you won't have to chase attraction. It will come to you naturally. And remember, attraction isn't about tricks. It's about becoming the kind of man who doesn't need them. That's when the real magic happens.